It is a very expensive commodity. It is a very expensive resource that is absolutely essential to life, and we've had huge debates in Ireland about that over the last 10 years to 20 years. It takes a lot of investment to maintain an asset that can adequately abstract water from whatever source, treat it to the correct standards, manage the networks, distribute it to people's taps, collect their wastewater, convey that wastewater to treatment plants, and safely discharge that to the environment where there is no adverse effects. That is a pretty significant cost of providing that essential, critical resource for life. But a lot of other countries value that an awful lot more. We fund it in Ireland directly out of Central Exchequer funds. The water utility model is there are loads of versions of it throughout the world. The UK is not probably best placed to use as a reference at the moment, but certainly, it is something that requires a significant level of investment to ensure that is provided at a certain standard, and a lot of governments aren't allocating enough for that.